YouTube. Today I'm going to be making an update video, and after that I'm going to see what people will trade for my items that I've been so let's get started. Pet ponies have come to Jamal. These new pets very well might be the cutest pets ever to call Jamal home, and you can adopt yours in the diamond shop today. Well, today in the diamond shop. Of course, in the diamond shop. I don't know if that's fair. What should I do? It does have. I don't know which top hats are the rarest and which ones are not. Or if they're even. I don't know. I'll just say no, just in case. Like many plant and animal species around the world, the snow leopards of Jamal will soon be endangered. So yeah, be sure to buy one of those. On March 5th, snow leopards will no longer be available in the diamond shop. Gemmers who already have purchased a snow leopard will still be able to create new ones, but you only have 2 weeks to purchase a snow leopard before they become endangered. I think these are rich though. I'm gonna check my gem card. Can I tar for your? I think they mean trade. I'll put it on a good. Hurry up, Jam. It's now they added something. Only it was a spike. But I know that would never happen. I don't know. You win. I do. Okay. Explore the Forgotten Desert with the fun and rewarding adventure with Jamal's all new owls. And they're in the diamond shop. The Friendship Festival will soon be over, so be sure to play special delivery to pick up your favorite items and visit the Friendship Party before they're gone. So if you want to get any of that stuff that's in special delivery, you should probably get it now, because it soon will be gone. Remember to check out the cool pizza parlor den items and Gem furniture, and be sure to check back for more Den contest items that will be available soon. So that was update. Now let's see what people